Everybody, what's up? This is, of course, Guro JD here. I'm here at my gym, Keishidojo, and today, Tips and Tricks Thursday, we're going to give you a little bit on the single stick drills, the three defense drill, how to kind of work it a little bit, also on how to incorporate it into your Sumbrada or your roof for roof. And so we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. So here I am. I have my stick in my right hand, and we're going to start with what we call the three defense drill. Now, there's two things I want you to understand when we do this for tips and tricks. When we do the three defense drill, we constantly are hiding ourselves behind our stick. We go roof, I'm hiding behind my stick. Inside sweep, I'm hiding behind my stick. And shield. Now, the first thing I see a lot of people have a hard time with is they go from this inside sweep to shield. It's not pulling back. It's an actual roll. So the first tip I have, or trick, I want you guys to get is how to roll your stick. You could do it both hands. Practice rolling forward and then understand how to roll backwards. Roll forward. And how do I practice this? We'll roll our stick forward. We touch the floor. We roll back. We touch our shoulder. Roll forward. Floor. Roll back. Shoulder. Opposite hand. Roll forward. Roll back, shoulder. Something I don't want you to do, don't open your hand. Keep your hand not necessarily completely closed, but at least have 3 out of 4 fingers kind of still hooking the stick. I understand like maybe you can't bend your arm a certain way and your pinky has to open up. I get that. But don't just be like, let's see how my hand is completely open. That's not what we want either. Okay, so when I do this, three defense, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Other side, I'm here, I'm here, and I'm there. I'm able to look through here to see. And also, don't be here. You're going to bust your knuckles. That's the simple three defense drill, and it's used on the angle 8, the angle 1, the angle 2. The angle 8, the angle 1, the angle 2. Once we get into it though, and we do our Sumrada, we no longer hide behind our stick. We will actually reach out. So when I do this with Guro Ron, he says this here is a poke towards the eyes or a poke towards the face. And we don't usually do that in training. What we do is we target the hand so I can clear your hand to make way for the next attack. And so it's not here anymore, it's actually here. It's going out. I still have my roof. This is your roof structure. Okay, looks like a little roof of a house. And I'm underneath my house, and my hand is shooting out. When I do the inside sweep, I'm here, and I'm not hiding behind here anymore. I am now going over my arm, not under, but over my arm to, again, target their hand. So I can monitor their hand for my next thing. So I go here. And so how I would practice this is we're getting close to Halloween, and we all know like a witch stirs their cauldron, their brew. And so that's how I practiced this when I was working on my beginner Kali stuff. I would stir the witch's brew. And so that would be here. That's the stick doing its defense, and then the hand comes over the top to target. And so stir over the top, stir over the top. And then last but not least, we have our shield, and when I'm here, my hand is reaching out to push their hand down. It pushes down so I can hit the top. And so I'm here, this is in front of my arm to push down so I can hit. So again, it's not here. You're not going to bust your hand. It's also not down here. It's not like touching my head or touching my shoulder. It's out, and the hand is coming out in front of my arm to clear. So when I do the three defenses, when it comes to the actual application, it's roof, inside sweep, shield. Roof, inside sweep, and then shield. So the hand is doing its work. On the other side, roof, inside sweep, shield. One more time. Roof, inside sweep, shield. And those are your 3 core movements when it comes to the Sumbrada series or the roof for roof series in the Filipino martial arts and in TSC Jiu-Jitsu. So practice that. Remember, it's not just hiding behind your stick anymore. Okay, it's actually getting out there. Okay, it's doing something. That hand is monitoring or targeting the other hand. Cool, well there you guys have it. Something easy, something simple. You guys know what I want you to do. Do me a favor, hit that like button if you like the stuff you see on the channel. Smash the subscribe button. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. And last but not least, hit that bell icon so you know when the next video is coming out from all of us here at Martial Arts Limited. You guys stay safe, keep training, keep your sticks up, and I'm out. So here I am. I have my stick in my right hand. I'm gonna switch that.